Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add watermark in PDF Expert. So let's get straight into it and create it manually using the edit or annotate tools and then replicate it. So open the PDF and select the annotated tab at the top. So let me open up the PDF. Now here, if you don't see annotate directly, uh, you will press here this circled button right here, and it will open up annotate, edit PDF file, file and sign, export, and so on. Now click on annotate and you will be redirected right over here where I am now. Okay, so what you're going to do now is simply select here the text icon and drag it where you want to have it. So let's go like that. And now, for example, I will type in confidential, just like that. I will like so. Now we need to size a little bit this thing. Then we can change some, for example, bold type of the text. And what you can do now is also add a sticker, for example. So that doesn't matter which one. Next to it, let's say like that. And we have now some watermark style right here. Sadly, here in the iPad, you can't yet just apply to all the pages, so you will need to copy separately to every page. So if you want this confidential here, you just need to paste to every page on this PDF. Let's say something like that. And yeah, I hope that this video helped you out how you can basically create the watermark. Now you can rotate it if you want, and yeah, if you want it on every page, you will sadly need to copy it separately if you are using iPad. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.